Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to make a cranberry walnut cake, which is great for Thanksgiving dinner or Christmas dinner. So let's get started. You might also be interested in these recipes for Christmas and Thanksgiving. Nutella truffles, chocolate spoons, vegan mince pie recipe, and it's really easy to make these flowers on top, and a tart made with vegan mince meat, some sugar cookies, vegan of course, some sweet potato pie, also made vegan style, crisp for just a plain dessert. You could dress it up with some cranberries and whipped cream. Vegan chocolate cake with some Nutella frosting. Make your own vegan chocolate. It's pretty easy. There are only 3 ingredients. So bake chocolate-covered macaroons and a carrot cake. Some more sugar cookies, and I'm going to put a link below where you can find all these recipes. To make my cake, in this bowl I have 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And to that I'm going to add 2 cups of water, 2/3 of a cup of cooking oil, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 1, 2. And I'm going to mix that up. Like that. And I have greased and floured my pan, and this is a 10-inch round pan, and I'm going to pour my batter. And I'm going to bake at 350 degrees until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. In this bowl I have a 1/2 cup of softened margarine. You could use butter. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm just going to mix that in. And I'm going to add 3 cups of icing sugar. And now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm just adding soy milk, but you can add any type of milk that you like. And I'm going to beat it until smooth. Like that. And now it's ready to use. Okay, my cake is done. And when I placed a toothpick in the center, it came out clean. I'm going to set it aside and let it cool. Okay, my cake has now cooled, and I'm going to remove the pan, and I'm going to cut the top off. And I'm going to crumble this top part. I'm going to cut my cake in half. And I'm going to remove that top section. I'm going to use a can of cranberry sauce. You can make your own if you like. And I have my buttercream frosting. So I'm going to spread some on my cake. Cranberry sauce on top. And then I'm going to spread some walnuts. Place this back on. And now I'm going to frost my cake. And now I have my crumbs, and I'm going to put those all down the sides. Like that. And now the rest of that cranberry sauce goes on top. And then some more walnuts. And there you have the finished cranberry walnut cake. So I'm just going to cut into it and see how it looks.